We are the first species in Earth's history capable of changing the entire planet. And with this power comes a staggering consequence. We are living through the sixth mass extinction. This isn't just about losing beautiful animals. It's about unraveling the very systems that provide our food, our medicine, and the air we breathe. The number one cause of extinction is brutally simple: habitat destruction. When we clear a forest for a farm or build a highway straight through a national park, we don't just remove trees, we shatter an entire world. That highway splits a large habitat into two small, isolated islands, making it impossible for animals to find new mates, leading to inbreeding and eventual collapse. Sometimes the damage is more subtle. We introduce a species to a new home, hoping it will help. In Australia, cane toads were brought in to eat beetles in sugarcane fields. Instead, they became a walking poison, killing the native predators that tried to eat them and devastating local food webs. And then there's pollution. A single small fish eats a tiny piece of plastic. A bigger fish eats 100 of those small fish. This is biomagnification. The poison doesn't disappear. It travels up the food chain, becoming more concentrated with every step until it reaches the top, us. These toxins are now found in our own blood. Perhaps the most potent lesson comes from the concept of a keystone species, an animal that holds an ecosystem together, like the keystone in an arch. In 1958, China declared sparrows a pest because they ate grain, so they eliminated them. But they overlooked one crucial detail. Sparrows also ate locusts. Without their predator, the locust population exploded, devouring the crops and leading to a catastrophic famine. It's a stark reminder that in nature, everything is connected. Pulling on one thread can unravel the entire tapestry.